Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Brian, and in today's video we're going to be covering the basics of using a Western backsaw. So we start by putting our thumb on our workpiece and we angle it up, not down like this. So we angle it up a little bit and we put our blade along the line, and then what we're going to do is we're going to angle our blade, our saw blade, and then we're going to pull back to create a saw curve. And once we do that, and we get a nice saw curve, we begin to saw on the push stroke. We want to keep our blade angled for a little bit, and then we slowly make our blade horizontal and increase the length of our stroke. I wanted to highlight a few things about posture. For a right-handed person, their left foot should be forward, the knees should be slightly bent, and your forearm should be almost horizontal. The next thing to say is that in order to cut a straight line, the saw must move in and out like a piston, along a straight trajectory. To do this, we want our hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, and shoulder all aligned when we make the cut.